Hey guys, welcome to a quick tutorial YouTube video. Um, my BlueStacks isn't working. See, look, there's a multitude of ways to solve this. The way I do it is I just do a simple uninstall and reinstall. So what you want to do is come to the control panel, open it up, go to uninstall a program, BlueStacks 5. Yes, I do want to uninstall. The app crashed. Uninstall. Uninstall. It is uninstalled. Now we come down. Actually, no. You can do it through the search bar, but I like to do it through the web. Go to whichever is your preferred search engine. I need this keyboard because I spilled some water on my keyboard a couple of weeks ago, and some of my keys haven't been working since then. But um, that's neither here nor there. Anyways, look up BlueStacks 5, open this up, yeah, download BlueStacks, open file, yes I do, install now. We can close that. Ooh, I actually like that insignia. It's been around since 2011? Wow. BlueStacks X, yes. Um, you can keep this if you want to. Um, I I like to uninstall it because I like using BlueStacks 5 better, but that's just my preference. But if you want to use BlueStacks X, by all means go for it. I'm not gonna stop you. But my preference is BlueStacks 5, so yeah. Is it installed? Oh, it's installing. Okay. Yeah. Well, I'm uploading 4 videos today. I've already uploaded 2. This will be my 3rd video. I'm trying to get as many videos uploaded as I can before the Christmas holidays, or because I'm not going to be, well, starting the 20th through the end of December. I'm not going to be recording or streaming because I want to focus on enjoying the holidays. Don't get me wrong, I do love streaming and recording videos, and hanging out with you guys, but I prefer to spend my holidays not online. Or, well, how do I put this? Um, I would prefer. I I do still use Twitter and Instagram, but not as much as I normally do. Like I will check it maybe once a day. Like no, that's a lie. I check it much more. Like I don't spend as much time online as I normally would when it's the holidays. I think that makes the most sense. All right, it's installed. So minimize that. Come back down to the control panel, uninstall BlueStacks X. I prefer 5, not X, sorry. Cool. But yeah, as I was saying, um, starting the 20th through the end of December, that's 11 days. I'm not going to be recording and streaming because I want to take a little break from online content. Like, I will be online on Twitter and Instagram and Discord, but not as much as I normally would, is what I'm trying to say. Anyways, yeah, and then just set up your preferences. Like for me, I like using this mouse. If we go to audio, I can set up my microphone, save, exit. And then let me show you how to reinstall the games with your settings. Wait for this to finish updating. But yeah, I don't stream or record during the holidays because I like to enjoy it with my family. Don't get me wrong, I do love recording and streaming, but not during the holidays. I prefer to spend that time with my family. Anyways, let's sign in. I'm gonna cover up my sign in info because I don't want it to be leaked. I am still here. Tr- Trust me, I am still here. All I'm doing is entering my email for my sign in to Google Play at dot, and now I'm entering my password. Hello? Oh, hey Clarissa. Oh, I'm just walking through a short tutorial on how to install something. One of the apps I use on my computer crashed, so I'm just walking through on how to fix that. If my thing will work. Oh, it's loading. I have the screen covered so I don't leak my password. There we go. Alright, there we go. It goes a bit slow when it's first installed. Walk through all that. Alright, now one of my favorite games to play is Suspects. We install that. Be warned, this app, as you just saw, goes a little slow when it's first installed, but as you start using it more and more, it'll speed up. Alright, and then we open that. Now, if you only, yeah, it does. Now, if you only clicked on this video to watch how to uninstall and reinstall BlueStacks, you can click off. But if you want to stick around to the end, I'm going to show you how to reset your info on this game if you play this game through BlueStacks. Let me just click on, type in some random names so I can use this. Go up to the menu icon, spam click Google Play, and then it'll sync up your Google Play account to this game, which will reset this to your game settings. And there we go. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Hit the like button, subscribe button, bell button. I'll see you guys in the next video.